Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn about auto change Tor IP. It means you want to change the IP address of your Tor browser, you can automatically change it every 3 seconds or 2 seconds, whatever time you want. Okay. So how you can do that and from where you need this software? First of all, you need to install Python 3 and Python 3 pip application. So apt install Python 3. Okay, so you need to install this package. Press Y, and after installing Python 3, you need to install Python 3 pip package. So let's first install it. I'm waiting for the installation. Once the installation will complete, I will show you how you can install Python 3 pip application after installing Python 3 packages. So the installation is going on. Remember, installation time completely depends on your internet speed. If you have a good internet speed, it will take less time. If you don't have a good internet speed, it might take some longer time. Okay, so I have Geo Fiber 100 Mbps, 150 Mbps speed. So you can see how much time it's taking. Done. Now after that, I will install Python 3 pip. You need to install this package also. Okay, after installing Python 3 pip, we need to this software. We need to go to this git clone https github.com. This is the guy ISP pick. They have created this one. I got this from GitHub. So I am going on GitHub, and you can go to the GitHub and you can download this link, or you can type this link in the browser. Okay, so let me go here and type git clone https :/ github.com. Okay, slash, then you have to type the name ispyq. Okay, ispyq, ispyq. So P will be capital, remember. Okay, ispyq. Okay, so pi only, not pie. So it's pi only, not pie. And then you have to give the name of the application, that is Tor IP changer. Tor T will be capital, IP will be capital. So Tor IP changer. So Tor IP changer dot git. Okay, this is the name of the application. We need to download it and check by running ls command. You can see that I have Tor IP changer application here. Now go to the cd Tor IP changer folder and run ls command. Here you see requirement.txt ipchanger.py. First of all, I am going to give execute permission to all of them. So chmod -r 777 to all, like everything inside this folder. So I have given the full permission to everyone inside this folder. Now what you need to do, you can see here, first of all you have to install all the package for the requirement which is required for this software. So pip install -r and the requirement.txt file. Pip install -r. Okay, so pip install -r and the requirement.txt file. If you give this one, so it's telling, if you believe this is a mistake, please contact your Python installation or OS distribution. What it's saying, let me check it. Extremely managed environment. This environment is externally managed. To install Python 3 Python packages system wide, try apt install Python 3 xyz, where xyz is the package you are trying to install. Okay, okay, pip x install xyz. So we are using Python 3, or so let's try pip 3. So it's nothing error. I think all the installation is already installed. So let's move ahead. Don't need to do anything. python 3 ipchanger.py. Okay, so now you can see this file ipchanger. So this is a Python program. So python 3 ipchanger.py. Run it. Tower is already ready. Okay, now it's asking you how often do you want to change your IP address. Means how much second. Okay, my current IP address, you can see this is my current IP address, but now it's want to change it, and also want to ask you that how much time, like how after every 2 second or 3 second or 4 second. So I want to change it after every 3 second. Okay, so your IP address will be changed every 3 seconds until you stop the script. Okay, press Ctrl C to stop checking for Tor connection. Tor is already running. Your IP address has been changed. You can see my IP address is changing. First it's changed to 109, then 70, 100.5, then 89.2, 33.157.254. Now it's 195, 176, 3.2. My IP address is keep changing. So this machine IP address keep changing.